In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for managing your personal tasks effectively. Monday.com is a versatile project management tool, and while many know it for team collaborations, it can be incredibly beneficial for keeping your personal tasks organized as well. So let's get started, and I'll guide you through the process of setting it up for your personal use. To begin, you'll want to open Monday.com and look for the plus sign on your dashboard. This plus sign is your gateway to adding new features and functionalities within the platform. Clicking on it will give you several options, but for today's purpose, we'll focus on creating a new board. Once you click on the plus sign, you'll see an option labeled Board. Click on this, as it's where you'll set up the workspace for all your personal tasks. Think of a board as your project hub, which will help you divide and conquer tasks with ease. Now the next step is to give your new board a name. Since this board will be focused on personal tasks, you might want to name it something like My Work, or any title that resonates with the nature of the tasks you'll be handling. Simply type the chosen name in the designated field to keep your space organized and easily identifiable later on. After naming your board, you'll want to choose the privacy setting that best suits how you plan to use it. For personal tasks, it's generally a good idea to keep it private. This ensures that your board is visible only to you, preserving the confidentiality of your activities and any personal notes you might jot down along the way. The final step is to actually create the board. Once you've selected your privacy setting, you'll see a button that says Create Board. Clicking on this will finalize the setup process, and just like that, you have your own personal space ready to capture all those to-dos, appointments, and daily reminders. And that's it. You've now set up Monday.com for your personal tasks, a space that's just for you to manage everything from daily chores to long-term goals. Remember to take advantage of the data management and visualization tools offered by the platform. Whether it's customizing columns for deadlines, priority levels, or task categories, these features make it easy to adapt the board to your specific needs. So there you have it, a straightforward guide to setting up Monday.com for personal task management. Keep exploring its features to further streamline your workflow.